This is the first snow here in Canada, in Toronto.
November 1st.
November 1st. Here you go. This is how you're gonna see the snowstorm. Look at the snow in the outside there. Look. Yeah. Quiet, sweetie. I'm videoing. There you go. Snowstorm here. This is the snowstorm, guys. First day of November 2020. So this is how you're gonna see the snow in the balcony. I am on the balcony of the apartment, and look at that on the street. Oh, isn't wonderful? First day of snow, man. Ayan, maliwanag siya, malamig, maginaw. Eto na nagbibideo ay hi! Kung hindi pa po kayo naka-thumbs up sa aking YouTube, press the like button po, share it with your friends. Look at the real snow outside. There you go. Come join me in my tour. This is our balcony in the apartment. And this is where I live, at the back. And now, it's November the 1st. First winter storm. Day after the Halloween. Isn't it wonderful? It's freezing. Look. Oh my God, my head is freezing cold. Okay, I'll show you around. Hope you enjoy my tour in my simple house. In front, outside, my balcony. The balcony outside my house. Okay? Sorry, it's a little bit shaky because it's really freaking cold right now. It's spooky. It's cold and the temperature is at minus already. Okay, I'll turn around. Do you like my hat? It's nice, eh? Happy Halloween, everyone! Happy All Saints Day! Look at the car! It's all right there. Look. Our balcony is fixing. It's a good thing that we still have balcony. Otherwise, I cannot video that close like this. Oh my God! Oh. Look at the car on the street. Look. Oh, look at that. Most of them doesn't have any winter tires at this moment because this snow is unexpected. Oh, look at that. The car. You have to be careful. Careful, guys, when you're driving. I hope they can hear me. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. It's Snowstorm. Gosh, people are walking outside there. Hey, look. I hope they'll get ready. Oh my gee, I feel cold on my hand. Okay, hope you like my winter storm adventure. Hi! Hope you like my winter tour adventure. Don't forget to press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Favreau saying stay safe, God bless, and take care. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a good night and have a good day in the outside Canada or outside My word. Okay, bye.